And hello everybody, Shara here, and welcome to a new video. Today I'll be talking about how to set up uh, your VPN to play VFL, World Forge Legends, Armad, online with other players. So we're gonna use the simple VPN, which is Radmin VPN. So you just head over and download it. Webpage, I'm gonna put the link in the description. Once you've downloaded, you just go head over and install it. I'm just gonna open the program. I already have it installed. Just gonna, as you can see, I already have it installed. But yeah, you basically open up, install it. Once you open it up, you will not have anything here. You just want to head over and go to network, join existing network, go private network, and you can take it either from our Discord server, but I will leave it in the description, like the account and password and stuff. You head over to join network and you will be able to join our network. As you can see, we have a couple of users, but honestly not many of us play. I'm pretty sure people don't know how to set up after this, and I'm gonna explain it to you, like this important part to actually activate all of this that you just installed and stuff. Okay, so you head over to control panel, you go into network and internet sharing center, and you find the Radmin network adapter. Now you don't have to go into change adapter settings to just find it. You just click on Radmin VPN, go to properties, Internet Protocol version 4, properties, and go use the following IP address, and you set up IP like this. So basically you have to set up a local air network IP so that people can join, because that's how the game basically the range of the IP addresses the game supports. So in this case you go 192.168.0, and this number is optional. You can put anything from between 2 and 200. I recommend go 30 or something, but it's all up to you. The default gateway has to be this one, because let's just say that's like where everybody meets on that IP. That's the check. That's like basically the check where it's gonna search. So you put 192.168.0 and 1. Like, that's the best explanation I can give you for what the default gateway is. But yeah. Once you've done that, click OK, close, and I recommend go press disable, which actually does not disable, it just restarts. That's how Radmin works. So it restarts your adapter, and you should be almost ready to play. Now, in case if you're using a firewall, we have to let the game go through firewall. So I don't know where, like, do you have Windows 10 or Windows 7 or something? But yeah, you can search firewall, advanced defender firewall settings. You can let it through here, so you can go inbound, go no rule, program, next, the path to the program, find the program, open, next, allow the connection, next, select everything, and then just name it and finish. But for Windows 10 users, I recommend going to control panel, system security, Windows Defender, firewall, allow an app or feature through Windows file. We can actually do both work, but I'm just showing you both examples for the versions. As you can see, I have done it. Let me just see if I find it. There it is. So yeah, you want to go allow and another app. You find the app, go browse, find where it's installed, open, network type, select both, okay, and then press add, and you are good to go. So now you can play with anybody who hosts on our World Forge Legends VPN server. And the one important thing I'm going to mention here now. Let me close everything up. That's the OBS. Never mind. I just want to let you know that there's one important thing about the network, the adapter. So I highly recommend every time you boot up your PC, restart your PC, not doesn't matter. You go into details and you double check if the IP has changed, because in most cases it does change. So just be aware of that in case it doesn't work and stuff. And there's also a chance when you open up the game, which I'm gonna do right now. There's a chance when you open up the game that sometimes the IP just doesn't change. It just keeps your LAN IP as the primary IP, which like if that's the case, there's a bigger chance that it won't work. But we're still looking into that issue. We still haven't found a solution, but I'm pretty sure like just try and reinstall and stuff, and like in most cases, turning off your PC, uninstalling Radmin, then turning off your PC again, reinstalling, and just restart. Like do that process, and it should eventually work. It's gonna take a while because this is like first time booting up the game after actually booting up the PC. Just gonna take a while. But yeah, we just wanted to let you know about that while we are booting up the game. And I'm gonna show you this. Like I'm not cutting before it boots up, just to tell you that. And I'm gonna show you one important thing that you need to know before you play. Oh, just gonna turn up the music real quick. Yep. Okay, so here's the next important thing. How will you know if Radmin works? Now you press, as you can see, we also changed the icon. The way you will know that is when you press LAN game and you open up the console. It's underneath the escape key, the tilde key, and you will see your IP right here. If it's this IP from Radmin, that means it totally works, and you should be able to see any game here if there is a game. But yeah, you head over to LAN game, not internet. We are working on getting internet. We have a special guy that is trying to program us a way to, like, he has to bypass a special code feature, like CDK code feature, that unfortunately we don't have the CDK, so we cannot just manually bypass it. Anyway, so what you want to do is you want to open up LAN game just like I did. Back, LAN game, and if you hit create, you will have you will get a selection of maps. These are like the older maps and stuff. I highly recommend going to TQ map packs. These maps, this map, the Battle of Noah, the second one, the Steppes of the Snow, A True King of Persia, Land of Forgotten Legends, Trial of Kings, Balanced, The Open Field 112, A Land of Forgotten Legends. Like these maps are one of the best maps that you will ever play. Like they are so well optimized for our mod. A little bit, and there's the dried out lake, but we haven't really fully optimized this map. But it's not a bad map, and yeah, I highly recommend playing these maps instead of the original one. It will give you a unique experience as well as a lot of options to play. But yeah, so once you've selected your map, I'm gonna go for the open field 1-1. You create. Okay, here's one thing you have to keep in mind. In our current version, unfortunately, the engine works that way where it takes a while for you to create a room. So when you hit create, it's gonna take a while, and if sometimes you click something and it like stops, that means that somebody's joining in your game. Like I just want to inform you that don't worry, your game is not broken or anything. It's just that right now, before we get the engine update, this is how the game works. So like sometimes it can freeze, like that's all you need. But yeah, once you're ready, select your race or whatever, and when you hit continue, 5 4 3 2 1, and you're ready to play, it should be working just fine. You will get the lowest ping possible this way. Like the lowest ping possible is basically just how like if somebody's really far away, they're gonna have high ping. It is what it is. Nothing we can do about that. But yeah, basically and also expect a stutter at the start. Like we are working on that to fix it, but right now we cannot fix it. We don't know what the issue actually is. why it stutters at the start. Like a couple of updates before it didn't, now it does. We're still working on it, but yeah. And that's how to play it basically. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, leave a like, comment, subscribe for more content, and also expect a new update very soon. We do update stuff on our Discord regularly, and we also have a specific role called active player, which we plan to give to those people who actually want to play, and that role will give you access to a special dev chat that we, the three of us, me, Turgeon Quirk, and Varianus, use on a regular basis, where we upload like micro patches almost every day, where we find something is broken and stuff, so we basically balance changes and stuff. So yeah, that's all I had for today. I hope you enjoyed this video, yeah, as I said, and see you next time. Goodbye.